All right, so I'm gonna make an ad on Instagram for my book that I just did, and I'm just gonna format this Instagram post. Great. Okay, it's a square. Just gonna put it on a white background. So I'm gonna go into my files here, grab these. I'm just gonna drag those off the screen. Here's the first one, just so everything looks nice and formatted. That's what we're gonna focus on here. This is basically our ad content here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do maybe a black background because there might actually be a little bit of there might be a promotion template for this type of thing. So I'm gonna go bring that up there. I'm gonna go into elements. I'm gonna go into the background, and I'm going to go into let's see what we got here. So design. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna look for book ad. See if anything comes up for that. About to find out. Let's see, here we go. All right, so we got all these here, and we're gonna look up ebook, basically editable cover mock-up. Okay, nice. So now we can grab this, put it here. Be nice if that was there we go. Nice. And then we can just probably delete this just like that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And then we can go digging for gold and shoveling money. We can go like this. We can get this. This is pretty cool stuff, guys. So I want the whole cover to be on it. So let's just, this is pretty wild that this is available for free here. And it looks so real too. It's wild. Okay. So basically, just gonna change this to at malonem.co, and then bestseller, just like that. And then basically we'll go up here and just do edit this, digging for gold and shoveling money. It's pretty wild what you can do with these mock-ups now. Making 100K in your first year landscaping. So like I've said before, this whole thing that I'm doing with this is an experiment here. The new just like that. Make that a bit smaller. M.co, just like that. And then maybe back here we replace this background with some type of money sign or something. We can also just go into here with uploads. I'd like to see if I can get this whole book in here, but it looks like it's squaring it, which I might just drag it down a bit. So I want to actually I want to do this, and then maybe drag it down like that. Nice. Cool. So now this actually looks really legit. Ebook. Now we can add a tag, basically. So we can go to elements. We can add a tag or something. Here. Make this smaller. And we might just put the price right up here in some type of just change the color of this. So we could just snag, for instance, just like this. Let's see. Now we can snag some type of, we could actually throw our logo in here, which could be really cool. So I'm just gonna pause this for a sec. So I decided to not put the logo in there, but we're just gonna go over to Pexels. We're gonna grab a photo of grass, and we're gonna go something pretty realistic here. Something landscape related like this, green, nice. Thank you to this person here. So now we're going to go back to Canva, and we are going to jump in here, grab this, go to this, and drag this in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to move this way down we're going to put this layer in the back. So move to back. And so that's pretty cool. And now we can do white. That's pretty cool. You know, the original one was pretty cool too, but we could just do this gold too. Digging for gold and shoveling money, and do this green. Make a dark green. Nope. Don't want that. Yeah. Shoveling money. Could do that like a black. We need it to stand out, of course, so we're just gonna do maybe white for this. Let's see. White. Green. Dark green. We can even use... Come on. So this is something, like, you know, you could see this on Facebook or something. Nice. That's pretty good, man. Bestseller. You got your mock-up with the shade and everything. Like, that's a pretty cool ad right there. And I just made that in, what, 10 minutes? How long? Yeah, 11 minutes. I just made that whole thing. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. That's pretty amazing. That's a little bit better than just posting the title of your book on the internet and hoping that people think it's cool. Like, this is cool. This is actually cool. So this is a good little tutorial on making an ad that's visually appealing and really something that applies to what you're actually selling.